Starting off here in your bedroom, you have a custom king size bed. You're going to have storage underneath. You also have overhead cabinet space and hanging closet storage on both sides. There is CPAP access points there. Then you have extra storage over here. You can see you have this huge window right here, so that's really nice. You have extra closet storage, washer dryer hookups in here. Sliding door here for privacy. Fireplace down below with your radio control, and then you've got a place to add a TV up top, and you can see you've got this little latch here that's going to give you storage right behind your TV area. Really easy to open up. Then you have more shelf space right here by your entryway. You have the Versa lounge sofa, so this is going to give you the dinette, the sofa area over here. Then you could turn this into one big lounger. You have no carpet slides, you have storage underneath there. Huge windows in here, so tons of lighting coming through. L-shaped kitchen design here, 2-bay sink, 3-burner cooktop and oven, microwave up top. Fridge here that'll run on 12 volts, and then you got your pantry space located right on the side here. So really deep shelf space. Then we've got a couple of bunks here. So you're gonna have additional sleeping areas there. There's windows, there's USB ports to charge your devices. Easy access into your bathroom where you have a secondary entrance, so that's gonna help eliminate some of the foot traffic that you have. And then you've got this nice big shower and skylight up top, foot flush toilet down below, and then your medicine cabinet and sink on this side right over here.